Welcome to SS Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about the Revolve Boss feature in SolidWorks and I will provide you the complete information for this feature. So watch the full video for complete information. Let's make a sketch first. Select a plane, make normal to, go to sketch, take a line from here and create a sketch. Right click, select. This complete my sketch. Go to features. There is a feature available here, Revolve Boss Base. Just click on it. It is asking for axis of revolution. This is the axis about which your sketch is going to revolve. In the axis of revolution, just click on this line. It will show you the preview. By default, the angle of revolution 360 is available here. And you can see the direction of revolution is shown by this arrow, which is anti-clockwise. So let's make some changes. In the angle of revolution, just put 220 degree. So the revolution is started from this sketch and it ends at this point. So this is the direction 1. When you switch on the direction 2, now you can revolve this sketch in the direction 2 also. For example, in the direction 2, I put the angle of revolution 60 degree. Now the sketch is revolved in both the direction, in direction 1 and in direction 2. When I click OK, it's complete my operation and you can see this is how the Revolve Boss feature works. As of now, I am assuming that we don't want a hole in the middle of this model. If you want a hole in the middle of this model, you have to edit the sketch. For this, I am just deleting this feature. Delete, yes. Let's make some changes in the sketch. Go to sketch, edit sketch. Create a line here. Right click, select. Now this line is our axis of revolution. If you want the hole of 30 mm dia in the middle, you should provide the line at the distance of 15 mm from this sketch. Again go to features, click on Revolve Boss. In the axis of revolution, just select this line. In the contour, select this sketch. Now you can see the preview. There is a hole in the middle. One more option is available here is thin feature. When you click on thin feature, you will end up with the hollow model. And also there are 3 options available here to complete the thin feature option. One is one direction and other 2 is mid plane and 2 direction. When you select one direction, you can see the thickness is provided in the outer side of the sketch and the provided thickness is 10 mm. When you click on mid plane, you can see the 5 mm thickness is provided inside of the sketch and 5 mm thickness is provided outside of the sketch. Total 10 mm. When you switch on the 2 direction, you have to specify 2 thicknesses here. One is outside thickness and other is inside thickness. Let one thickness be 5 mm. Now the inside thickness is 5 mm and the outside thickness is 10 mm. When you click OK, you will get the hole in the middle of this model. Also, you will get the hollow model. Just click OK. See, you got a hole in the middle of this model. Also, this is a hollow model. You can see by enabling the sectional view like this. This is because we have enabled the thin feature and this is revolve thin feature. Just switch off the sectional view. This is the complete information about the Revolve Boss feature. If you like this video, kindly press like and share button. Also subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button for more information. Thanks for watching.